This documentary is about two inspiring personalities who have been doing great work in their respective communities. Today we will introduce you to a person who's changing the life of others around her through hard work and determination. Let's go and see her.
Welcome.
Thank you.
This is my son. How are you, Baba? Welcome, Baba.
Karibu sana.
Asante.
Karibu kiti.
So, what is this whiteboard used for?
Teaching.
Who's teaching?
We get foreign teachers, volunteers from Germany, Australia, America. They come like 10 every 3 months to help local women how to write, how to read, and to teach them how to make batiks and everything. Mother now, she's bringing one of the batiks they make and they sell it to get the income to help each other.
Teach people to make that batik.
Yeah, now my mother can speak good English.
To turn and dye. To sewing.
Okay, where do they sell it?
Here. We make in order.
How did you learn it? How did you learn it yourself?
I learned in the one of the school in KCMC for 2 weeks. Yes.
And these things that you are teaching other, how many students are there?
8.
8 students.
Women. 8 women and 7 girls and 4 boys. Yes.
So that must be a full house
Yes.
when they come here.
Yes.
Do they pay for this?
No. I try to take a student who finished standard 7 and then he is jobless. I take here to be careful for them. Yes. Yeah, unahusika. Hahusiki. Welcome. In my classroom.
This is a school.
Yes.
So that is where the teachers are from?
Yeah, they come from some from Australia, from Europe, or from America. See, all of this.
And what do they do at home? In their country, what do they teach? In their
Yeah.
country? No, when they are volunteers, huh?
Yeah.
And what do they do back home?
If go to Australia, shouldn't buy money.
Huko kwa wanafanya shughuli mbalimbali dokta, wengine mafans, wengine wa
Some are teachers, some are medicine, some are doctors, some are engineers. Then they get 3 months volunteering. Become there.
Volunteer, huh?
It's
As
for free.
volunteers. And how old are they?
Just, I saw some, they are almost of your age.
kuna wanaosoma ambao wanatoka chuo kikuu, kuna wazee ambao wameshazeeka.
There are some who are retired, old men, they come and do something here. This is a tailoring. Now they were donated one tailoring machine, so they expect to have about 5. So what they do, because of poverty, they come in different hours. 3 come and get being lectured about how to use it. After 3 hours, some are coming again.
So yeah, so it's always in use most of the times.
Tomatoes.
Or red potatoes.
Where is your field?
In the forest, near forest.
Yeah.
Yes.
And what you grow there?
Tomato, potatoes.
So you're a multi-talented person, huh? You are a teacher, you are a farmer, you are a community developer, you are a mom,
Yeah. And grandma.
and grandma now. Don't you get tired?
No.
No?
I teach women who live here for a long time. He get to his jobless. I teach to embroidering and to sewing and to sew carpet, to make carpet. We use three banana
Right?
tree banana.
The bark of it,
Yes,
tree
yes,
banana.
Yes, we make rope,
Rope.
and then we sew
Right.
with hand.
But that's a hard work. It takes a long time, I guess.
No, it is not long time. We for 2 weeks only.
In 2 weeks you can make one big carpet,
Yes, not big cup, big.
like a rug.
Yes.
Oh.
I tried to make myself. Oh.
What does symbol stand for?
I tried to make this bag to carry a bottle of water. Yes. I tried to design it.
And what does it say? Njoro Dubi.
Njoro, TWG, Dobby. Dobby is for to wash clothes. Yes. There are many people wash clothes in the river.
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
And TWG, what does it stand for?
Tumaini Women Group.
And what is Tumaini?
Tumaini is hope.
Hope.
When was it established, that group? When did it start?
We start for 1 year only.
1 year ago.
Yes.
And whose idea was it?
I tried to make the group myself.
Yeah, so it's your baby. Very nice idea. It's very rich.
I take these children to make like me.
Yeah, to help them out. Yeah. Very good. It's a great idea.
It is inspiring to know that people such as her will bring about change in their surrounding by their own sheer will and determination.